पर कैपिटा के सब्जी अगर उनकी खिदमत में मां वजाहत कया तो वो जे इनके अप्रिशिएट कर सिंध जी पर कैपिटा है 11,012 rupees, which is very significant. As a matter of fact, highest in all 4 provinces. He number definitely. So the point here is Balochistan is 1,477. KP is 8,896, and we are at the top. Now, so that tells you a story that there's a lot of money being spent, more than any other province in Sindh. Now let's see what the state of infrastructure is. Panj fields ayn jame asi Sindh je outcome, education je outcomes ayn historically. He latest information ahe jeka published ahe publicly. Uname ॿ शयूं आहिनि जेके जे मथां फोकस कंदासीं. Infrastructure is one of the most important things. That means the schools, condition of schools, all the facilities that are necessity to deliver a meaningful education. Uname जेके शयूं अचनि थियूं सभ खां पहिरीं ॻाल्हि आहे curriculum. ऐं curriculum माना त textbook content ऐं bias. उनजी क्वालिटी मतलब घट में घट बायस हुजे ऐं क्वालिटी टेक्स्ट बुक्स जी बहितरीन हुजे हाई लेवल ते इहा डेफिनेशन चइबी. उनमें टीचर्स जी क्वालिटी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, मैथ प्रोफिशिएंसी, साइंस प्रोफिशिएंसी एंड इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी. असां इन्हनि जेके क्रिटिकल सब्जेक्ट्स आहिनि को बि जे तक़दीरनि जे लाइ these are the areas and parameters which actually propel nation in the future. उन्हनि एरियाज़ में असीं इवेल्यूएट कंदासीं असां पंहिंजो अकम्पलिशमेंट्स. उनमें जेके तव्हां ॾिसंदो त पंजाब on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 means really horrible, 5 means excellent. Punjab is 3.5 score on the curriculum side, and Sindh is 3, KP is 3, Balochistan is 2.5. Going forward, I will give 3 numbers, 3 provinces. Sindh, Punjab, and KP. Balochistan, unfortunately, on this situation, it requires a lot of help and a lot of attention. The second parameter is teacher quality. Punjab 3.5 on a scale of 1 to 5, Sindh 2.5, and KP is 3. So KP beats Sindh. Sindh is the lowest. Halanki, asanji budget jeka hai per capita education the sabni ka matya. Infrastructure on a scale of 1 to 5, Punjab is 4, Sindh is 2.5, and KP is 3. KP beats Sindh as well, again. Mathematics proficiency, 1 to 5. Punjab is 2.5 on a scale of 1 to 5, Sindh is 2. Science proficiency में Punjab जेको आहे 2.5 आहे. हिक खां 5 ताईं. हिकु माना the lowest, ख़राब हालतूं. 5 माना बेहतरीन क्वालिटी ऐं बेहतरीन पोजीशन. उनमें तव्हां ॾिसंदो त सिंध जेका आहे सभिनी में इन्हनि टिनी प्रोविंसेस जे चटाभेटी में तमामु लो स्कोर आहे सिंध जो. हालांकि बजट सिंध जी सभिनी खां मथे आहे. साइंस प्रोफिशिएंसी में Punjab is 2.5, Sindh is 2, KP is 2.5. English proficiency में Punjab is 3, Sindh is 2.5, and KP is 2.5. Here, overall situation, this is the essence. These are the parameters that we can talk about, and they speak a lot of story. So the last thing is actually adult and youth literacy rate. This report has generated a lot of international organizations have published a lot of facts on these things. For example, literacy rate, literacy rate adult, total, and youth. The 15 years to 24 years age group जेको है उनमें literacy rate Pakistan is a country चाहे. There are about 10 countries here from South Asia and Southeast Asia. Singapore is at the top, and Pakistan is number 9 out of 10, and the last one is Afghanistan, number 10. So we have Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Malaysia,